artistic family. Here is the final results of the series, 3 parts. I'll show you each one now and kind of explain where my head was at. So I usually do these bright or dark, vibrant hues and colors. And I am using the metallics, the silver, the copper, the gold. But because these are inks and I wanted them to be really fluid, it obviously makes the colors very light, like a watercolor would be, where I'm using so much of it with the water. And my focus was really just the flow and movement. You guys know I love simple elegance, modern abstract art, and I love a flowing movement, which usually tends to be more diagonal, which is what all of these paintings are. I'm very drawn to this one. I just absolutely love everything about it. The softness, the glow to it, the depth and the movement, the subtle patterns, the transition between the gold and the silver and the zinc. I'm really happy with the flow and the movement and the subtle designs and patterns. And of course, the gold leaf was always a luxurious addition. And I chose to leave that off of this one here. Just because I didn't feel that it fit. And it's the movement and transitions of the lines that really make this. And to me, simple is best. And there is a lot of detail in these paintings, even though it was extremely simple to create. Anyways, guys, I really appreciate it if you've followed me so far and if you've watched all parts of the series. If not, please do so. And until next time, I'll see you all in the next one.